Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be comparing Samsung Galaxy A02 and Galaxy A03. Galaxy A02 and Galaxy A03 are Samsung's entry-level cell phones that offer technical specifications for those looking for a good cost-benefit ratio. Both are offered for prices below $150 and bring a battery that can last up to 2 days. Here are all the details of the smartphones and find out what's new with the generation change. The two phones are similar in several aspects. Both Galaxy A02 and Galaxy A03 have 6.5-inch displays with HD Plus resolution, 1600x720 pixels. The displays are TFT LCD, which usually come with Samsung's entry-level models. The display of these devices has thin edges on the sides. The back cover is made of plastic and none of them has extra protection against scratches, such as the desired Gorilla Glass. There is also no biometric reader. As for the housing of the cameras, both have embossing on the cover, but the embossing on the Galaxy A03 is larger, square-shaped, and reminiscent of the brand's more expensive models. The front camera on both is housed in a drop-shaped notch. Both Galaxy phones are available in blue, black, and red colors. In the cameras, the main differences appear in focus and resolution. The Galaxy A02 has a camera set that includes a macro camera, whose main function is to take close-up shots of objects without losing quality. The Galaxy A03 single-S camera set demonstrates an aptitude for photos with a blurry background effect, called by Samsung as live focus. It is worth mentioning that this feature is also present in the front camera of the Galaxy A03. The camera sets of the Galaxy A02 is as follows: 13 megapixels main camera f/1.9, 2 megapixels macro f/2.4, front 5 megapixels f/2.0. Although the phones do not present major innovations in this regard, the Galaxy A03 brings 48 megapixels on the main camera, a jump from the 13 megapixels of the predecessor. However, there are no stabilization features and the zoom is only digital, 10x for the A03 and 8x for the A02. Finally, the videos come in full HD resolution, which is not bad at all for an entry-level device. The camera suite of the Galaxy A03 has the following sensors: 48 megapixels main camera f/1.9, 2 megapixels depth f/2.4, 5 megapixels front f/2.2. If the devices are quite similar in several aspects, it is on the inside that they differ the most. The Galaxy A02 has a processor with only 4 cores, while the Galaxy A03 has an 8-core chip. And although the speed is similar, 1.5 GHz for the A02 and 1.6 GHz for the A03, the newer smartphone should perform better, since it can perform more tasks simultaneously. To aid multitasking, the Galaxy A03 has double the amount of RAM. This helps performance, without allowing the phone to crash or take longer to load files. The newer model also has more storage space, 64 GB versus 32 GB for the Galaxy A02. Both smartphones offer memory expansion via microSD cards up to 1 TB. A positive aspect of the devices is that both Galaxy comes with a 5000 mAh battery, an amount that Samsung points out is enough for the devices to last 2 days away from the outlet. Neither offers fast charging, but both come with the charger in the box. The Galaxy A02 leaves the factory with Android 10, while the A03 has native Android 11. Both devices should receive Android 12, the most current version of Google's operating system. The Galaxy A02 and Galaxy A03 are entry-level products, and as such, they have limited features. Neither the NFC, which allows payment by proximity, nor the fingerprint reader is present on the models. There is also no extra protection on the glass. There are differences in the connectivity features. In Wi-Fi, both devices can connect to 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, but this year's phone can connect to faster networks with 802.11 acres protocol, reaching 1300 Mbps. The situation is reversed concerning Bluetooth. The older handset offers a more modern version, 5.1. In practice, the main difference is in the use of trackers, which allows the location of the signal emitter to be pinpointed more accurately. Samsung also highlights the Galaxy A03 single-S Dolby Atmos featured audio experience, which should provide clear, quality sound. This feature only supports stereo headphones and Bluetooth speakers, which must be purchased separately. The Galaxy A02 is available and can already be found for $124.27 on Amazon. The Galaxy A03, on the other hand, is available on Amazon for $145. Check the link to buy on the video's description page. Here ends our comparison on Galaxy A02 and Galaxy A03. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.